Hello friends, welcome to Daring Marine YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about SOLAS requirements for a lifeboat. So what are the SOLAS requirement in a lifeboat and all. So according to SOLAS requirement for a lifeboat, so what are the lifeboat regulations? Lifeboat construction regulations are: a lifeboat should be rigid construction. It should be capable of maintaining positive stability in an upright country position when loaded with full complement of person and equipped in calm water. So the main regulation, first regulation, it is saying that a lifeboat should be of rigid construction, capable of maintaining positive stability in upright position when loaded with full complement of person and equipment in calm water. Hulls and rigid cover shall be fire retardant or non-combustible. We need to ensure that the hulls and rigid cover shall be fire retardant or non-combustible. And lifeboat should be strong enough when loaded with full complement of person and capable of launching when the ship is heading with. It should be strong enough to lowered into water when loaded with their full complement of person and equipment. Also, we need to here mention that the lifeboat should be strong when loaded with full complement of person and capable of launching when ship is heading with, and it should be strong enough to lower with water when loaded with their full complement of person and equipment. And next means, except for free fall lifeboat, it should be capable of withstand lateral impact against ship side at impact velocity of at least 3.5 meter per second and strong enough to drop into water from a height of at least 3 meter. Except we know the free fall lifeboat, it will fall from a height. So except that free fall lifeboat, the other one should be capable of withstand lateral impact against the ship side at an impact velocity of at least 3.5 meter per second and strong enough to drop into water from a height of at least 3 meter. And this lifeboat should not be less than 7.3 meter in length. A minimum 2 lifeboats are provided on both sides of ship, that is in the port and starboard side. The size and number and the capacity of lifeboat for a merchant vessel is decided by the type of ship and number of ship through. We need to ensure that the lifeboat should not be less than 7.3 meter in length. A minimum 2 lifeboats are provided on both sides of ship. The size and number and capacity of lifeboat for a merchant vessel, it is decided by the type of ship and number of ship crew. The lifeboat should carry all equipment as per SOLAS. It includes rations, fresh water, first aid, compass, signal equipment, etc. So we need to ensure that the lifeboat should carry all equipment as per SOLAS, and it includes ration, fresh water, first aid, compass, signal equipment and all. The ship must carry one rescue boat for rescue purpose along with other lifeboat. We have to ensure that the ship must have one rescue boat along with the purpose of other lifeboat. One lifeboat can be designated as a rescue boat if more than one lifeboat is present on board. We have to ensure that one lifeboat can be designated as a rescue boat if more than one lifeboat is present on board. Seating arrangement, either thwart, benches or fixed chair should be strong enough to support a person having weight of 100 kg. So seating arrangement means either thwart, benches or fixed chair should be strong enough to support person having a weight of 100 kg. Either seating position shall be clearly indicated in the boat. The seating position should be clearly indicated in the boat. All the lifeboats shall be stable and have positive GM metrocentric height. When loaded with 50% of number of person, the lifeboat is permitted to accommodate in the normal position to one side of the central line. All the lifeboats shall be capable, that means must be stable and have a positive GM. When loaded with 50% of the number of persons, the lifeboat is permitted to accommodate in the normal position to one side of the central line. The gravity disc must be held and slide down the boat even when the ship is heeled at an angle of 15 degrees on either side. Ropes are used to hold the lifeboat in stored position with cradle. These ropes are called grapes. We have to ensure that the gravity divides, they must be held and slide down the boat even when the ship is heeled at an angle of 15 degrees on either side. So these ropes are used to hold the lifeboat in stored position with cradle. These ropes are also called grapes. The buoys which lift or lower lifeboat are known as falls, and speed of lifeboat descent should not be more than 36 meter per minute, which is controlled by means of centrifugal brake. Okay, the buoys which lift or lower lifeboat are known as falls, and the speed of lifeboat descent should not be more than 36 meter per minute, which is controlled by means of centrifugal brake. The hoisting time for the lifeboat launching appliances should not be less than 0.3 meter per second with boat loaded to its full capacity. The hoisting time for boat launching appliances should not be less than 0.3 meter per second with boat loaded to its full capacity. Lifeboat must be painted in international bright orange color with the ship call sign printed on it. We need to ensure that the lifeboat must be painted in international bright orange color with ship's call sign printed on it. Thank you.